Explore Oakbrook Center and fashion outlets of Chicago, top malls in the USA. Nothing beats the thrill of discovering the best shopping destinations. And here's a surprising fact: 2 of the top malls in the entire United States are nestled right in the Chicago suburbs. But here's where it gets controversial. While many claim online shopping is taking over, these rankings prove that in-person retail experiences are still very much alive and thriving in Chicagoland. Cast your mind back to those carefree days when your mom would drop you off at the mall with just a $5 bill and a whole day ahead of you. That nostalgic feeling is alive and well at some of the country's finest malls, including 2 standout locations near Chicago, according to the latest Reader's Choice Awards from USA Today. This annual award is no small feat. Travel experts first sift through hundreds of shopping venues nationwide to nominate the cream of the crop. Then, the power shifts to the readers, who vote for their favorites. The results. Illinois shoppers clearly still cherish the tactile joy of browsing stores in person. In the category of Best Shopping Center, which highlights malls that offer not just a clean and safe shopping environment, but also serve as vibrant community hubs, Oakbrook Center in Oakbrook, Illinois, earned an impressive 4th place. This mall is more than just a shopping spot. It's an open-air oasis filled with lush green spaces, captivating art installations, and a variety of chef-driven restaurants. With over 170 thriving stores, Oakbrook Center also hosts seasonal events that keep locals engaged and connected throughout the year. Oakbrook shares the spotlight with some heavy hitters. The shops at La Cantera in San Antonio, Texas, took the top spot, followed by Peddler's Village in Lahaska, Pennsylvania, and Ala Moana Center in Honolulu, Hawaii, rounding out the top 3. Switching gears to the Best Outlet Mall category, the competition was fierce. Malls from Massachusetts and New Jersey snagged the gold and silver medals, but the fashion outlets of Chicago in Rosemont, Illinois, proudly claimed the bronze. This 2-level indoor mall offers a treasure trove of designer outlets and well-known brands, complemented by diverse dining options and a lively atmosphere enriched with intriguing art pieces. Whether you're on a mission to find a specific item, or simply want to enjoy a leisurely day of window shopping while getting your steps in, the fashion outlets of Chicago make it easy to lose track of time. Think you've seen it all at these malls? Think again. There's always something new to explore, whether it's a fresh pop-up shop, a seasonal event, or a new dining experience. Want to experience Chicago's best without breaking the bank? Sign up for our newsletter to get insider tips on enjoying the city for free, plus ideas for when you're ready to splurge a little. By subscribing, you agree to our terms of use and privacy policy and consent to receive emails from time out about news, events, special offers, and partner promotions. So, what do you think? Are these malls truly the best in the country, or do you have other favorites that deserve more recognition? Share your thoughts and let's get the conversation started. Top 10 American malls thriving in the age of online shopping. Mall of America, and more. Malls are far from dead. Even in the era of booming online shopping, many are not just surviving but thriving. But here's where it gets controversial. While countless malls have shuttered their doors, some have reinvented themselves as vibrant community hubs that offer much more than just shopping. And this is the part most people miss when they assume malls are obsolete. For decades, malls were the ultimate social and retail destinations. Picture sprawling, climate-controlled spaces filled with endless stores showcasing the latest trends, bustling food courts with diverse dining options, and often a movie theater to round out the experience. They were places where friends met up, families spent quality time, and people simply enjoyed watching the world go by. However, the rise of e-commerce has hit malls hard. Online retailers don't face the hefty expenses of maintaining physical storefronts, which has led to a significant drop in foot traffic and sales for many traditional malls. According to Capital One, an average of 1,170 shopping malls closed annually in the U.S. between 2017 and 2022. To add to that, no new indoor mega malls have been constructed since 2006, signaling a shift in retail development trends. Yet, despite these challenges, a number of malls continue to flourish. USA Today recently unveiled its list of the top 10 American malls that are still going strong, based on votes from readers combined with expert nominations. Their 10 Best Readers' Choice Awards highlight malls that have successfully adapted by offering a mix of shopping, dining, entertainment, and community events that keep visitors coming back. With a wide variety of stores, enticing food court options, engaging entertainment, and special events that bring local communities together, malls remain lively centers of activity, USA Today's 10 Best team explained when releasing the rankings last month. So, which malls made the cut, and where did the iconic Mall of America rank? Taking the runner-up spot is the Mall of America, arguably the most famous shopping center in the country. Located in Bloomington, Minnesota, just south of Minneapolis, this massive four-story complex boasts over 500 stores. But it's not just about shopping here. Visitors can also enjoy Nickelodeon Universe, an indoor theme park featuring more than 24 rides, alongside numerous gift shops and eateries. Food lovers have plenty to choose from at the Mall of America, with popular restaurants like Rainforest Cafe, Margaritaville, Bonkin, and Noodles and Company all under one roof. The mall welcomes guests from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Saturday, and from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. on Sundays. Curious about the full list of America's top malls? Here's what USA Today readers voted as the best. Aventura Mall, Aventura, Florida. Mall of America, Bloomington, Minnesota. Galleria Dallas, Dallas, Texas. The shops and restaurants at Hudson Yards, New York City. King of Prussia Mall, King of Prussia, Pennsylvania. Scottsdale Fashion Square, Scottsdale, Arizona. American Dream, East Rutherford, New Jersey. Grapevine Mills, Grapevine, Texas. Tyson's Corner Center, Tysons, Virginia. Brookfield Place, New York City. What exactly are the USA Today 10 Best Readers' Choice Awards? These awards celebrate the finest in travel, food, drink, and lifestyle. Each week, a panel of industry experts nominates their favorite destinations and attractions across various categories. Then, 10 Best editors carefully review these nominations and select a final list for the public to vote on over a 4-week period. This process ensures that the winners truly reflect both expert opinion and popular preference, making the list a trusted guide for anyone looking to explore the best shopping experiences in the US. So, what do you think? Are malls still relevant in today's digital age, or are they relics of the past? Could the malls on this list serve as models for how others might reinvent themselves? Share your thoughts and join the conversation. Do you agree with these rankings? Or do you have a favorite mall that didn't make the cut? The debate is wide open. Oakbrook Center ranked 4th best shopping center in the US. Imagine a place that not only offers shopping, but becomes a part of your lifestyle. That's Oakbrook Center, recently named the 4th best shopping center in the nation by USA Today's 10 Best rankings. But here's where it gets controversial. What makes a mall truly one of the best in America? Is it just the variety of stores and dining options, or does the community's engagement play a crucial role? Nestled at the intersection of Route 83 and 22nd Street in Oakbrook, this 63-year-old shopping haven stands out not just for its retail offerings, but for its vibrant community spirit and innovative events. Initially, a panel of experts and editors nominated their top choices, considering factors like store diversity, dining and entertainment breadth, accessibility, and unique events. Subsequently, the public cast their votes, leading to the final rankings. Oakbrook Center distinguishes itself with its elegant open-air layout, lush green spaces adorned with interactive art, and over 170 retail stores. It features a blend of high-end retailers and national chains, alongside a variety of dining options from quick snacks to gourmet meals. The center is a hub of activity all year round, thanks to its seasonal events and pedestrian-friendly design, drawing visitors from both the city and surrounding suburbs. Serge Kalimsky, the senior general manager, expressed immense pride in this recognition, attributing it to the collective support from tenants, vendors, shoppers, and local leaders. He believes the center's appeal lies in its ability to cater to diverse needs, whether one is shopping, dining, working out, or seeking entertainment. Oakbrook Center isn't just a shopping destination, it's a community focal point. It hosts free summer events like Movies on the Lawn, a Father's Day car show, and holiday festivities, which foster a sense of community. This approach not only enhances the shopping experience, but also solidifies the mall's role as a community hub. And this is the part most people miss: the strategic evolution of the mall to meet changing consumer needs, from leasing to creating new experiences. Oakbrook Village President Larry Herman and Michael Manzo, a long-serving village board member, also highlighted the mall's significant impact on the local dining and shopping scene, praising its role in enhancing the village's appeal as a regional destination. They credit low taxes, a safe shopping environment, and proactive local governance for the mall's success. Looking ahead, despite the challenges facing many shopping centers today, Kalimsky is optimistic about Oakbrook Center's future. He envisions continued growth and innovation, making it a prime location for new brands and experiences seeking to enter the Chicago market. What do you think makes Oakbrook Center stand out? Is it the blend of luxury and accessibility, or perhaps the community involvement? Share your thoughts and let's discuss what truly makes a shopping center top-notch.